Hey collectors, here is a look at Trapjaw from the Masters of the Universe cartoon collection line, and a little shout out to Emil for helping me get this figure. And this is the back of the card, wherein the main figure is featured and the other characters that will be released after Trapjaw. And also, they come with a comic book like the Vintage Toys version. Out of the clamshell, this is how Trapjaw is packaged with the Evil Rock and the extra blaster that you can interchange with his right hand. There is a plastic strap that secures the right mechanical arm of Trapjaw to the clamshell, and before you can get the figure out of it, you have to cut that, and I suggest doing it from the back so that you won't damage the figure. And here is the figure out of the box. Trapjaw stands a little over 6 inches tall, and he is fully posable like all the other figures in the cartoon series line. You can straighten the knees and also the elbow part of this figure. Also, his jaws are movable. And this is what the weapon would look like when you hook it up on the slot at the side of his belt. Either the hook or the blaster will fit on that slot. Like the other figures in this line, he is fully posable, and he can also hold an action stance without any support, but again, as precaution, do not leave your action figure without any action figure support, or they might fall down on your display. You can also remove the arm extension and make it a little more cartoon accurate with its length by directly plugging either of the weapon on the mechanical arm. Because Mattel is using the same body and only adding some designs and different paints to suit the characters, the height of each of them are not emphasized. And besides that, I don't like the crotch area. And for size comparison, here he is with Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe Classified and Tom Holland's integrated suit Spider-Man from No Way Home Wave, both figures by Hasbro. With the Dark Knight Batman from the Dark Knight Trilogy by ModoKing model kit, and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story from Bandai model kit. With Voltes 5 from the anime series by Bandai model kit under their SMP line, and Shredder from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoons by NECA. With Skeletor from Masters of the Universe by Super 7, and Cobra Commander from the G.I. Joe Ultimates line, also by Super 7. And finally, with my first cartoon collection Masters of the Universe figure, Duncan or Man-at-Arms. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.